Okay, good morning, everybody. Grace and peace to you from our Lord Jesus Christ and all the saints here in Central California. This is the second time I've made this video. I made it yesterday down in our basement and no audio came through. I can see why people do audio checks. So luckily, what I did yesterday, I'm doing also again today, which is removing our old firewalls. So if you remember, we just had a project to upgrade our firewalls to these newer, beefier units. And we also combined several firewalls into just these one availability pair, two physical firewalls. So next step in that project is just to deinstall the old firewalls. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Sorry about the weird lighting in here. I turned these lights on and it just washed everything out. I looked even whiter than normal. So we're gonna not have that. So what I'm gonna try to do is, it's very kind of cramped in here. Get this door open, get back in place. So the firewall I'm gonna be removing is, well, I'm gonna be removing two of them. So this is our, you can't see that. This is our old Cerner firewall right here. We're gonna pull this guy out, and then we're also gonna pull this guy out right here. Very, very carefully, because it's kind of meshed in there with a lot of stuff. It's a big mesh. So I'm gonna start with the Cerner firewall, so I'm gonna keep that down low there. I only brought my small extension here on this drill, so hopefully I can do this with these cable guides here that I'm blocking. And I don't know how well you can see them, but. So first thing I'm gonna do is just get rid of the, decable it. We already removed, there were four copper cables here, two here and two in these ports. These have already been moved down here. So these four copper cables right here were up here in this firewall. And sorry, this firewall up here. And that was really the only thing to migrating our Cerner firewall. Cerner is our electronics medical record provider. Is to migrate that, all I had to do is move these four cables from here down to here. And literally took seconds and didn't even disrupt anything. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and, well, you know what, first, I'm gonna power this guy down. So I'm gonna go around back, and he is the 1, 2, third unit up, just above that cable management. I'll make sure I pull the right power cord, because otherwise that would be a whole lot of no fun. So it should be this guy. Okay, lights should have gone out. The new firewalls have dual power, so pulling one power cable wouldn't hurt anything. These older firewalls only have single power too, so that's another reason we want to get rid of them. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and decable this. Pull these cables out. Sorry for staring at my back there, but there's not much to see. So this one doesn't want to come out. There we go. There we go. So we got rid of these. One's management, and the other two are the high availability cables. Now we are going to get these screws out here. I got to be careful of. Okay, now that's just a console cable. I don't have to be careful of that. I like to take the top screws out first, because the unit tends to sag in the back when you take screws out. These screws will hold the unit up until I'm really ready to take it out. Kind of makes a pivot point there. The top tries to, the weight pulls it this way. So the top is being pulled back. The bottom is being pushed out, so I leave the bottom in. Try it sometime. You'll see what I mean. Try it on something that's not critical. All right. Now it's going to start sagging a little bit. Not too much, but there goes that screw. Trade hazard. Dropping screws. I won't make looking for it part of the video. All right, so he's all unscrewed. He's decabled. I'm going to go give it a gentle push from the back to get a grip on it. Go. Gentle push accomplished. And we just slide this guy out. There we go. One deinstalled firewall. I took the fiber wall out. This guy down over there. Okay, so I got one more to do here. Let's see if I can find him. That one, you can still see that. Put it up a little bit. There's a little bit more to this one. So he's right above. This is all Cerner equipment right here. That's all vendor owned. Cerner owns all of that stuff. So I want to be very careful with that. But I do want to decable all of this, all of this, all of this. I'm going to go ahead and power it down. And he is right below my big, that's my core switch right there. All right. He is. Just real quick too, I thought you guys might be interested. I'll show you these power cables. So on one end, we just have this type of connector that plugs into our PDU or our power strip on the rack. The other end, this is what plugs into the device itself. If you can see those little red tabs on the side, this is a locking plug. So once you plug it into the unit, you can't pull it out. You have to actually push these pull these two tabs back. I'm sorry. You pull them back and then you can pull it out. So to unplug it, you always have to pull it grab it by this and pull it out. So these are kind of nice. I think we bought these through Gray Bar, but you can get them on Amazon and stuff like that. So nice short locking power cord. I can actually demonstrate it right here. See? I am pulling very hard. It won't come out, but if I just pull like this, it comes right out. So very cool. All right. So we can see this guy has no power lights on it anymore. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it. And now I'm going to try to very carefully decable this guy. Pull this cable out. Pull this cable out. Yeah, this one. Got a fiber cable to pull out. I'm going to leave these dangling so I can see where they go. Pull these guys out. So all of these cables, these 4 copper and these 2 fiber cables were all basically replaced by 2 copper cables with tagging. we tagged VLANs rather than putting a separate copper cable in, going to a separate VLAN on each switch port. So just seemed to be more logical and less hassle. This guy here, I'm going to put these two together so I know I have to remove those. Okay, whoops, got another one right here. Put these three together. And same thing, we're going to remove the high availability cables and the management cable. Sorry, you're staring at my back again. I know, I'm sorry. Okay. Now, unscrew this guy. Hopefully I don't drop that one too far. No, I'm going to drop it. There it went. I just can't get my hands in there. That's where I need my boss. She's got thin little hands. She can get in there real easy. Go. Got that one. The other side here. I got that one. Last one. And we got that one. All right, same deal. I'm going to walk around back and give it a gentle nudge. I got to be very careful of these fiber cables right here when I pull it out. There. These I can't really move, so I'm just going to have to be very careful. I can move these cables though, so I'll get those out of the way. And with these, this one go to that one out of the way. All right, that's as clear as I'm going to be able to get it. I'm going to give it a gentle push. So I can get a grip on it from the front. See, there's those fibers right there I got to be careful of. I don't know how well they're showing up here. These fibers right here. Get those out of the way. Just hold them out of the way with my finger while I gently extract this guy. There we go. Second firewall. He's out of there. All right, so then the last thing I have to do, which I'm probably not going to do with you guys, is I just got to pull all these cables out, find out where they go. I know where these go. They go right there. But these others, I'm going to have to, she's got them all tie wrapped and bundled, and that's going to be a joy. I'll have to slowly and painfully take these out. So, and these down here that you can't see. So anyway, that's about what I got for today. Hope you've enjoyed looking at all the blinky lights and stuff. So one of the things I was going to talk about is I am also going to be uploading my videos to Rumble, rumble.com. So if you go to rumble.com and search on Network Admin Live, you'll find me there as well. There's there's some reasons I'm doing that, but has nothing to do with anything really. Just my belief that it's good to diversify because you never know what can happen. You know, it's always good to be on diverse platforms with anything. Always diversify because putting all your eggs in one basket is never good. So all my existing videos on YouTube have already been uploaded to Rumble, and going forward, I'll upload my new videos to both YouTube and Rumble, so you'll be able to find me in both places if one or the other is ever unavailable for any reason. So anyway, that's all I got for this week. Thanks for watching. If you stuck with me this far, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you want, and keep the comments coming. We love those. And prayer requests, anything you got. It's all good. So thanks a lot, guys. And sorry the video is late. It was last week, just flew by. So anyway, have a great week, guys, and we'll catch you next time. God bless. Where's the stupid button? There it is. No, there it is. Got it. I'm out.